Okay guys, this is Welshie from Welshie Tech. This is the new video I'm doing. This is called Can You Game on a 4K TV. At the moment this TV right now is a Sony 4K TV, 50 inches. Let's see if we can game with WWE 2K19 at 4K resolution. Let's see how smooth the gameplay it is at 60 Hz. Let's go, let's check this out. Thank you.
Every single day.
The phenomenal AJ Styles. Singles action is underway, and in this one, I wouldn't attempt to predict what's going to happen. I'd just be ready for anything. Sometimes that's all you can do.
And this is one of those matches where it's hard to believe we get paid for this. Well, actually, hard to believe Saxton gets paid for anything.
The monster among men doesn't ask for permission nor ask for forgiveness. He simply destroys whatever lays in his path.
Braun Strowman is a Leviathan, Saxton, and sports entertainment has never experienced brute force like this from one human being.
I think AJ Styles is done playing. He'd be smart to stay put there. Boom, what impact! Speed slam! Oh, what a clothesline! Uh-oh. This might be it. Oh, my. Here's the cover.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall, making his way to the ring.
Here comes Mr. Boring. Mr. Boring? This guy's got no personality, Byron. This matchup has the potential to be special. We could be moments away from an instant classic.
Oh, right then. Well, okay. Okay, and guys, as you can see, 4K at 60 Hz on a 4K TV. Now, this is going to be a two-parter. This is the first part. This is me showing you 1440p on a 4K TV. The next video after this is going to be part 2. The next one is going to be Assassin's Creed Odyssey at 4K 60 Hz. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to like, dislike. Also, don't forget to check out overclockers.co.uk. They've got amazing deals at the moment. I will put a link at the bottom, so don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And this is Welshie out.